because we've got some clients who are attracting young 22-year-olds, and what they require is totally different than our older, more professional organizations that are hanging on to their current demographic and or searching for researchers or what have you. So having us understand their culture is really important because they're not all the same and they don't require the same types of environments. So I think that's a big part about what we do, is understanding individually all these different companies and what makes them tick. And when they come together, what are the problems they're trying to solve, and how can we create an environment that's going to get them to their solution, because they have to be profitable and they have to do good work. The problems that we're solving today are different than the problems that we were solving 5 years ago. And so the use of technology, connecting globally, making sure that that innovation stays top of mind for all the employees is really, really important. And then the speed. Everyone is racing to the finish line. And so making sure that their employees have the right technology, can easily plug in, it's intuitive, there's no instructions needed, you don't have to call IT, that takes an extra 20 minutes. They need them to go in, they need them to come together and solve whatever the issue is. And it all comes back to their overall profitability, which is why we're all here.
Exactly, and I think Bluescape helps with speed tremendously. I mean, again, everything is right here, and there's so many tools that you can use within it to take you from here all the way up to here. So it's great.